Can you brief in Kannada as well?
You need in Kannada? Okay. You can explain in Kannada. Do you guys recognize this animal? It's a tortoise. Turtles. So these are actually called as terrapins. They are basically a kind of a turtle, a variety of turtles that are found mainly in freshwater bodies, and they are native to North America. So this particular one is a red-eared slider. It's known as a red-eared slider due to those red streaks it has across its face. And so some differences between turtles, tortoises, and terrapins. Basically, tortoises are land animals, and they cannot swim or survive in water. So they have like legs that allows them to walk on land. Turtles basically have flippers as feet that allows them to swim in water.